Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss about what is null safety in Flutter. Dart now distinguishes nullable and non-nullable references to help eliminate the risk of a null point exception. All variables are non-nullable by default, so a value must be assigned on declaration. You can force a variable to take a null value with a question mark. Using exclamation to a variable shows the compiler that it is not null and can be used safely. The keyword late can be used to declare that a variable will be value assigned later on. Adding final with late can be used to assign a value at a later stage without initializing. If the late final variable is declared with a static, it will only be evaluated during runtime. The double question mark helps you to assume if a variable is null and returns alternate value if it is. This is the basic of Flutter null safety. Thanks for watching.